Morning students. Today we are going to discuss the last part of the chapter societal impact. Today we will discuss the topic e-waste management. What is the impact of e-waste on society? We are going to discuss that. So e-waste, as you know, we have electronic waste, that is called e-waste, e-scrap, or waste electrical and electronic equipment. WEEE describe discarded electrical or electronic devices. Electronic waste may also be defined as discarded computer, office electronic equipment, entertainment device, electronics, mobile phones, TV and refrigerator and other type of waste. That is a part of waste material, electronic waste. What are the characteristics? It's fastest growing segment of the waste, most valuable due to the basic composition, very harmful if not handled carefully. So now e-waste disposal process we can do so that we can manage this e-waste. It is categorized by the government of India under the broad class of different e-waste effects. Within e-waste, there are several categories such as large and small household appliances, electrical and electronic toys, and sporting equipment, tools, computer and related equipment, and so on. So now what is the disposal process for that? Number one, dismantling. What does it mean? Removal of parts containing the dangerous substances. So we will remove that part which contain the dangerous substances like PCB, CFC and HC. The removal of easily accessible parts containing the valuable substances like cable containing the copper, steel, iron, metals and etc. Number two, segregation of the ferrous metal, non-ferrous metal and plastic. The separation is normally done in a cellular process. In this process, we are segregating all these metal and plastic material. Refurbishment and reuse. Refurbishment and reuse of e-waste has potential for those whose electronic and electrical equipment which can be we can recreate the things by recycle the electronic waste in this category. Then we have the next slide. In the next slide, what we have discussed right now, these 3 points. Then we have the fourth point, recycling or recovering of valuable material. We can collect the valuable material from the electronic garbage non-ferrous metals in smelting plants, precious metals in separating work. Then we have fifth one, treatment or the disposal of the dangerous material and waste. Now we will find out the dangerous material different like carbonic which are treated thermally, and we have so many kind of things. So we by treatment we can recycle it and we can dispose it. So now we have the benefits of the e-waste recycling. The first thing is here we have allowing the recovery of valuable precious metal. We can easily get the precious metal from the garbage. Protect public health and water quality. Creates jobs. Toxic waste. Then we have the health concern with the technology uses. Although technology has improved, as you know very well, like excessive use of technology such as smartphone, computer, online gaming nowadays. So we will discuss the major concern of the health, the use of technology, what is the impact on health. Impact on hearing, as you know, studies has proven the listening to music with your electronic gadget, it is harmful for your health. Second is the impact on the bones and the joint. The use of technology has affected our posture. Most of the time we sit in the same posture, so definitely joint pain by the stain by using mobile is going to be done. Intention also we are there, eye problem may be there. Third one, constant exposure to the smartphone, laptop, computer screen impact the eye vision. Okay, the fourth is the sleep issues. Excessive smartphone, computer, and tablet can disrupt our sleep. We cannot sleep properly if we are using more usage. Mental health issues, mentally we are disturbed, anxiety problem, depression problem comes if you are using the excess. Now, thank you. This is the last slide. So today we have completed our chapter social impacts on the different topics we have covered. Hope you like this video. We will discuss other doubts in the other session. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet again. Okay, bye. Take care.